Well, I guess riding season on the road anyway has officially ended. And it bites, it blows, it sucks. But anyway, shit happens, right? That damn snow. We got about 7 inches where I live at. Right around there. Yeah. So you can see there, that's untouched. About 7, 8 inches. Something like that. Anyway. My little neck of the woods. Y'all have a good one. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's Lynch Mob, not the band. You just have to scroll down till you find one of my videos. I'm still waiting to get to 100 subscribers so I can have a giveaway. Y'all take it easy.